Exploring classic LucasArts adventure games and discovered sad sound data files. These contain audio assets from beloved retro gaming classics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these LucasArts sound data files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the SAD error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. SAD files are sound data files used by LucasArts classic adventure games, containing audio assets including music, sound effects, voice recordings, and ambient audio. They store the audio content for legendary games like Monkey Island: Day of the Tentacle and other LucasArts adventures using the ScummVM engine. SAD files use LucasArts' proprietary audio format with game-specific encoding storing. PCM, ADPCM, or VOC audio data, along with metadata, including sample rates, loop points, and trigger identifiers. The format integrates with the SCUMM engine's audio playback system, following LucasArts' internal game development specifications. The best utility for reliable viewing of SAD is known to be Dragon Unpacker by open source. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows lacks support for proprietary engine formats, so viewing or modifying these files requires appropriate software. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your SAD file and select Open With. If Dragon Unpacker is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every installed application. If the SAD file won't budge, stay calm. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, using ScummVM. Install ScummVM, the open-source SCUMM engine reimplementation, which natively supports LucasArts game audio, including SAD files. ScummVM plays classic adventure games on modern systems, handling all original audio assets transparently. Configure ScummVM with the original game directory containing SAD files for full game playback. Next, extracting with SCUMM tools. Use SCUMM tools utilities like ScummVM tools to extract audio from SAD files into standard formats. These open-source tools parse LucasArts' proprietary formats, producing WAV or other standard audio files. This enables listening to game audio outside the game and using audio assets for tribute projects or analysis. Finally, examining with Hex Editor. Open SAD files in HXD Hex Editor to inspect raw binary contents and identify embedded audio data signatures. This technical inspection helps understand the file structure and may reveal embedded audio streams that can be extracted using audio editing software with raw data import capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.